Hey guys, how's it going? This is your boy Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and also ring the bell notification. Okay, so in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use your smartphone as a DSLR monitor for your camera. Alright, so any EOS, example 1300, 1500, EOS 2000D, and Canon EOS Rebel T7, T6, T5, T7i. Alright, so it will work perfectly. Okay, so just so as you know, this is Canon EOS 2000D. It is the same model as this one is a European model, so that's why it's named as 2000D. The Canon Rebel T7 is the same thing as this one. In USA, it is named as Canon Rebel T7. The Canon Rebel T7 in Japan, it is known as X KISS 90D. You'll need a few things. Okay, first of all, you'll need a few things. Okay, so this thing is a HDMI video capture card, 1080p. All right, so you can pick this up for about $6 to $10 on Amazon, eBay. And yeah, this one, when I bought an HDMI cable, and then I got this adapter. This is mini HDMI to full HDMI. I even has the Amazon basic cable as well. Okay, so this is a mini HDMI right here, mini and full HDMI. Now you gotta check on your Canon DSLR camera. You gotta check what output you have, what input you have. My bad. So as you can see right here, okay, so this is a mini HDMI. Okay, mini HDMI. So if you do have a micro HDMI, then you gotta both the micro HDMI cable or adapter. Okay, so next what you'll need is something like this. This is what we call a bowl head. Okay, bowl head looks like this. It goes on top of the camera. Okay, so now you guys can see this thing, this little square goes on top, just like this, and then all you gotta do is to screw this. Okay, so yeah, it goes on the top on the flash. Okay, next you'll need also of this cell phone tripod mount. Okay, this is cheap, $4. Okay, here. So this thing will go on top of your Canon camera. Just that later. And this one goes, you can easily trigger it. Okay, as you can see, it rotates 360. All right, yeah, good to know that. Now what you need is, okay, so now I'm gonna show you the setup. All right, so the setup will be, okay, so this one I'm not gonna use that, right, because I do have this cable though. I'm gonna use this cable directly. Okay, Canon battery, Canon LP-E10, this right there, LP-E10, 800 mAh. Okay, so this, the gold plate you see on the battery, it goes in here, right there. Now as for the lens, this is the lens cap. Okay, so as you can see, this is 18 to 55 millimeter lens. Okay, this is a kit lens. All right, so yeah. Now if for video shooting the kit lens is not good for you, then you gotta use the nifty 50, okay, which is 50 millimeter lens. Okay, that's a prime lens. All right, and you have many options such as 24 millimeter and 50 millimeter for shooting videos and as well pictures. So this thing, since it's a gold plate, you have to align it with this one. Yeah, just like that, it is secured. Now I'm gonna turn on the camera. Alright, so basically it's on auto, so I'm gonna switch to recording. This dial right here, I'm gonna move it all the way to recording. Okay, so basically it's in the still mode, so I'm gonna switch to autofocus and I'm gonna try to focus. Okay, alright, so there you have it. I'm gonna focus on this. Alright, HDMI video capture. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Now, what you want to do now? Pop this thing up, and the mini HDMI cable, it goes in here. Okay, then this HDMI 1080p capture card. Don't use when you're about to buy this, guys, this adapter. You will see 4K. Okay, don't pick the 4K because it will not work, as this camera does not support 4K. It can only record in 1080. Okay, alright, so this goes right there. And now as for this one, it goes in here. Yes, and then this is a USB type C. So okay, so the USB type C will go into your phone. All right, and on your phone you want to make sure that you have Ethernet connection. Okay, otherwise this will not work. All right, so see what happened here. So as soon as I plug this thing, this app right here, so you'll have to download this app, Endoscope HD Camera. This. All right, so it's absolutely free, but it do contains ads, so you'll have to bear with it. So you want to click start. There you're gonna see your device PID connecting, and voila, guys, so this is a screen setup right here. Okay, so just as you know, if you are thinking this is fake, all right, so I'm moving the camera, as you can see right there, and see on the screen it is showing that. Okay, so this is my ring light as well, as you can see in the preview right there. So I'm moving the camera towards the lens cap down the table, as you can see it is showing. And yes, so right now the screen is like this. So I believe if you press this, and you can see the resolution, so you can go all the way up to 1920 by 1080p. Okay, you can increase the brightness, contrast, you can mute the microphone, you can choose to focus, autofocus like that. I'm gonna mount, so just like that, and this thing will connect to, and then of course if you got a tripod, okay, so this thing will go into the DSLR camera. And if you got a bigger tripod, it's going to work as well. Okay, so yeah, I switched to manual focus and this thing works. Okay, it works great. Okay, I switched to manual focus. Right here, manual focus, image stabilizer, it is on. Leave that to on and this thing works perfectly right there. If you guys seeing that, so it is actually a recording. So say you'd like to stop recording, just press stop and the recording will be saved right there. You can see this up, it shows SD card right here. So just press this, okay, with a show mount as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell notification as well. Okay, all right. Peace.